Breakfast for chronic kidney disease stage 3. For those with chronic kidney disease or CKD, especially at stage 3, finding the right breakfast can be challenging but not impossible. There are plenty of delicious and nutritious options that help keep kidneys healthy and provide energy. I'm going to talk about various breakfast choices suitable for CKD patients based on chronic kidney disease. Eating a kidney-friendly balanced diet is crucial for managing CKD and avoiding overworking the kidneys. Fortunately, there are many breakfast options like whole grain breads, oats, eggs, and dairy products that are low in sodium and potassium. These meals provide essential vitamins and minerals, ensuring you start your day feeling full and energized while adhering to renal diet restrictions. You might be wondering about who I am and why I'm qualified to talk about this. If you're someone living with chronic kidney disease, I've got great news for you. Hello, I'm Mathea Ford, a registered dietitian nutritionist specializing in chronic kidney disease and owner of renaldiethq.com. I specialize in helping people just like you improve their health by making simple yet delicious changes to your meals. Together, we could transform your eating habits, boost your overall well-being, and ensure that you're enjoying every bite along the way. Say goodbye to bland and boring meals and say hello to a healthier, more vibrant life. Let's get started on this incredible journey to better health together. Visit renaldiethq.com today and take the first step towards a healthier lifestyle. Breakfast is crucial for those living with chronic kidney disease as it helps maintain energy levels, manage symptoms, and keep kidneys functioning properly. Crafting a renal diet breakfast menu can be straightforward when focusing on low sodium, phosphorus, and potassium foods. Opt for lean proteins like eggs or tofu, complex carbohydrates such as whole grain breads or cereals, and fiber-rich fruits and vegetables like apples, broccoli, oranges. Include low-fat dairy options like skim milk or yogurt to avoid increased heart disease risks. And for low phosphorus milk, try rice milk to help manage blood phosphorus levels and potassium levels if that's a concern at your stage 3 kidney disease. For those with CKD, choosing the right breakfast foods is essential to maintain healthy kidneys and manage blood pressure. Kidney-friendly breakfast options include nutrient-dense foods like oatmeal, quinoa, and buckwheat, which are high in fiber and help slow down the absorption of potentially harmful minerals. Adding fresh fruits like berries or apples provides additional vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Other renal diet breakfast items include eggs cooked in olive oil, lean proteins like fish or chicken breast, and vegetables such as spinach or onions sauteed with garlic. These options offer essential nutrients without putting too much strain on the kidneys. For a renal diet, breakfast meats like lean chicken, turkey, and fish are excellent choices, along with plant-based proteins such as tofu, beans, or tempeh. These options ensure adequate protein intake while avoiding excess sodium and saturated fats, which can worsen CKD symptoms. When incorporating breakfast meats, it's also important to include nutrient-rich ingredients like whole grains, fruits, and vegetables throughout the day to ensure a balanced intake of necessary vitamins and minerals. Delicious kidney-friendly breakfast casseroles provide an easy way to get necessary nutrients while adhering to dietary restrictions. These dishes offer a variety of flavors and textures, from cheesy egg bakes to sweet potato hash browns, going beyond just cereal and toast. When creating a kidney diet breakfast casserole, avoid high potassium or phosphorus ingredients like bananas and dairy products. Opt for low-fat proteins like lean meat or eggs, healthy fats like olive oil or avocado, complex carbs like quinoa or whole wheat breadcrumbs, and fresh vegetables like peppers or spinach. With many possibilities available, you can find a recipe that fits your renal dietary guidelines and tastes amazing. A nutritious breakfast for those with CKD includes a combination of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, nuts, and legumes. Fruits like apples, pears, and berries provide fiber and antioxidants, while vegetables such as kale, spinach, and broccoli offer essential nutrients like vitamin C, calcium, and magnesium. Whole grain toast with almond butter or hummus provides protein and heart-healthy fats, and nuts like almonds help maintain healthy phosphorus levels. Legumes like chickpeas offer plant-based proteins and dietary fiber, aiding in digestion. The best breakfasts for CKD patients include nutrient-dense, low-sodium foods like oatmeal or eggs, promoting improved organ functioning without complications. Planning meals ahead ensures access to nutritious snacks such as hard-boiled eggs throughout the day. Eating a nutritious breakfast sets the stage for a successful day, so prioritize healthy morning meals. For those with chronic kidney disease, starting the day with a low-sodium breakfast is essential. Options include oatmeal or oat bran cooked in low-fat milk topped with berries and nuts, Greek yogurt mixed with frozen fruit and unsalted granola, and vegetable omelets made with egg whites and various veggies like spinach, mushrooms, and peppers. These meals offer essential vitamins and minerals while limiting sodium intake, helping to manage blood pressure and your disease. Foods should always support kidney health without compromising it, and beverages like tea, coffee, or hot chocolate with skimmed milk can also fit into a low-sodium breakfast plan. For those with kidney disease, the best breakfast foods are low in potassium, high in fiber, and rich in essential vitamins and minerals. Oats, whole grain toast, egg muffins made from rye or spelt flour, and eggs cooked without added oil or butter are excellent choices. Non-dairy milks like soy, almond, hemp, coconut, and rice milk provide necessary protein and calcium while being low in potassium. A smoothie with frozen berries, ground flaxseed meal, Greek yogurt, and non-dairy milk is another tasty option, but be cautious of hidden potassium in nuts or nut butters. By planning and choosing the right foods, individuals with CKD can enjoy nutritious, low potassium breakfasts that support their health goals without straining their kidneys. Eating breakfast is beneficial for people with chronic kidney disease as it provides an energy boost and helps regulate blood glucose levels. Choose low sodium foods to manage CKD symptoms like swelling and fatigue, and look for CKD specific recipes to ensure your meal contains essential nutrients. A nutritious breakfast each day can significantly impact your health, just like getting enough sleep or taking medication regularly. Remember, breakfast is the most important meal of the day, so don't skip it.